Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I am trying out the brand new Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. And when I say it's brand new, I mean it's brand new just to the United States. Just launched today, which is Wednesday, and this will be showing on Thursday. But I actually got mine off their London site, and I've had it for about 2 weeks now and have been using it, putting it to the test for you. So if you want to see how this foundation performs, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not taken the time to subscribe to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button down below along with the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursdays is always a new foundation video, and I do have a playlist on those as well. If you're one of my returning viewers, thanks so much for coming back to just check in today. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I am very excited to be shooting this video. I've been using this foundation for the last couple of weeks. I actually had to order it from Makeup Revolution's London site because they didn't have it on their US site. However, today I got an email from them saying it's now available on their website, and today is Wednesday. I actually filmed this video a couple of days ago, but somehow one of my clips got deleted, so I'm refilming it, and that kind of worked out in my favor because now I can tell you that this is actually available at their US site. It's supposed to be coming to Ulta soon. I've heard around the 23rd, but don't quote me on that because that's just something I read online, so that could be completely off base. Unfortunately, they don't give you a lot of information on their website about it either. This is what it says. Foundation just got faster, launching in 18 shades in a range of undertones. Fast Base Foundation quickly perfects, contours, and highlights your complexion. The easy-to-apply stick formula melts into skin, blending seamlessly to leave a fresh and dewy finish. Twist up, swipe on, and blend out with your fingers, a beauty sponge, or your favorite foundation brush. That's it. So this doesn't claim if it's good for dry skin, oily skin, combo skin. Is it full coverage? Is it a medium coverage? It just doesn't have that information. So let's just get started. Oh, and by the way, price, $9. $9. And it's got a great selection of colors. I really like the fact that they brought in different undertones. I picked up the color F4, and this has more of a pink undertone. And when I put it on, I was a little scared at first, but man, it blends out and looks really good on my skin. So, as always, I am going to use my L'Oreal sponge on one side and a flat top kabuki brush on the other. And I have gone ahead and primed my face and put on my under eye color correcting. So we are ready to go, and let's get started. All right, I will leave a link down in the description box on where you can pick this up, but let's get started. So again, I'm in the color F4. And I am just going to go right in. If you hear noise in the background, that is my dogs. They decided they just had to be in here with me today. And I'm sorry about my audio problems I've been having, you guys. I am working on that really hard. I keep thinking I got it fixed. And then I hear from you guys that I don't. So I don't know what it is I'm doing wrong. I've bought different mics, different cables. I'm just trying everything. So this is now one side with just using the sponge, and we will go to work now on the other side with the brush. I find it's best when you use a brush to tap it and then kind of buff it out, but tap it in first instead of trying to wipe it all over your face. All right, let's see how that's looking. Nice little zit I got going right here, a little bump. So, I noticed that when I went in with the brush, it's more of a satin type finish. I mean, there's still a little bit of a shine on the sponge side, but it's got a little bit more of a glow with the brush side. When I've been playing around with this, what I found worked the best was to actually go in and put it on with the brush first and then lightly tap it into some of the areas after that. Now this is definitely buildable. So let me get that tapped in real quick. And I'm going to go back in and just add a little bit more, but let me zoom you in first so you can see what it looks like with this coverage. All right, so again, this is the sponge side. This is the brush side. So it really did give a lot of coverage. There's just a little bit that is still coming through. So again, I'm going to take just the tiniest bit in those areas only and cover that up. And I'm just going to use the sponge to go in and tap that in. You guys, this is so lightweight feeling. You don't feel like you have anything on your skin whatsoever. And when they say it melts into your skin, it melts into your skin. It does not dry down, so I would strongly recommend that you set this with powder. Okay, let me show you again really quick now that we've gone in and done that. So this is the sponge side. This was the original brush side. Here's what it's looking like on my forehead. And let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and I have completed all of my makeup. Just real quick, I'll go over everything that I have on my face. I did go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution, the matte blush, and this is in the color Beloved. I also used one of their brand new highlighters, which I looked and they don't have it on their US website yet, but it is on their London site. So I'll have a link to the London site down below. Just keep your eyes open for it coming soon. This is their Renaissance Illuminate palette, and I got mine in Radiant Rose. It comes in this beautiful rose gold packaging and got a very nice mirror in there, but this is the colors in this. There's 3 different palettes, so that is what they look like. You swatch them. But there's 3 different shades that are available for you to pick up, so just go with the one that's going to match your skin tone the best. But so far, I've really been liking it. I think it does just a great job of highlighting and not highlighting your texture on your face, which is one thing I just don't like. Decided to stay on the Makeup Revolution kick here, so I went with my Slay palette from them. If you haven't seen this before, let me show you how it does. See how if you angle it, it kind of changes colors on you there. Kind of fun. It's just a neat little palette, great for travel. It's got a nice mirror inside, and these are the shades. So there's 2 shimmers, 3 shimmers, everything else is a matte in there. And the cream colored one, it's more of a satin finish, so it's not shimmer. For lips, I just picked this up today. This is the Jessie Girls Matte Finish Lip Color. And this is in the shade, gosh, I can't read, Last Dance. And you know what? I was actually surprised. This is dried down completely, so it doesn't feel drying on the lips at all. This is what the applicator looks like. So I will leave a comment down below to see how this wears throughout the rest of the day. And then for kicks and giggles, because I never ever do this, I did a winged eyeliner today. I don't know if you can tell, but I found this by Rimmel. It is their Wonder Wing eyeliner. It's new, and hopefully you'll be able to pick this up. It's a felt tip, but one side of it, even look, it's hard to see. This side right here is flat. So what you're supposed to do is take that flat side and just book, and then take the tip and draw in the liner. And I will tell you, that was pretty darn easy to get that done today. So I think I did pretty good considering I never do a winged liner. And then for my bronzer, I went into an oldie but goodie and favorite, my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. still love the smell of this stuff, but I decided to get this out today and give it a try again, and I forgot how much I just absolutely love this one. Last but not least, for my mascara, I use the Maybelline Clawson Big Shot. So this is another one I haven't tried in a while. So I'm trying to get back into using some of my old makeup because I'm constantly trying so many new things. I forget about some of the old stuff that I really liked. So I'm just kind of going through because pretty soon I'm going to be doing a clean out and just kind of sorting through and getting rid of some of my makeup. So I want to play around with it as much as I can. That'll help me decide if I want to keep stuff or not. But anyway, let's get back to the foundation because that's what we are here about. I love this foundation. I love the way it just melts into your skin. Again, it doesn't feel heavy. It does stay tacky, so I would strongly suggest that you do go ahead and set it with powder. But it leaves just such a beautiful, natural look. And I love the fact that they've got 18 shades, so that's a pretty good range for a drugstore foundation. And I just can't say enough good things about it. I really, really enjoy it. It looks good, lasts all day. That's another thing. They don't have any claims as to how long this is supposed to last, but I can tell you it lasts all day long. And then some. I've had couple late nights lately with my mother, so I have been not getting to bed till like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So that's what I've been going in and washing my face. I should be doing it earlier, but I get a little lazy. So that's what's been going on with that. But oh, another thing I really need to fill you in on last week I went in and had an MRI on my left knee, and I had an x-ray on my right elbow and my left shoulder, because I've just been having a lot of problems. So turns out left shoulder is just, my doctor's calling it the worst case of tennis elbow that she's ever seen because it's so bad. I got a shot in my elbow today, so it's kind of numb right now, which is helping me a lot, but I'm supposed to be keeping it in a sling for the next 5 to 7 days, and we'll see if the shot helps any at all. Shoulder, I have to see the orthopedic surgeon about and see what's going on with that, as well as my knee, because my knee, unfortunately, I have a torn meniscus, and then I have a lot of fluid in there, and I also have a Baker's cyst. So my doctor said it's probably going to be surgery time for me. So I don't go see the orthopedic doctor until the 17th, and I'll keep you updated on that as well. Okay, I think we've covered everything. So thanks so much for watching again, you guys. So again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just take a moment, hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. If you have any comments or questions or foundations you'd like me to do a review on, please ask me down below. I'd be happy to go and look for those products and do a review on them. If I haven't already, my playlist is probably getting close to 40 videos in there, so you might want to go take a look in there. There's a chance I may have already reviewed that foundation too. So anyway, I love you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it the old thumbs up, because YouTube wants to know what videos you guys like and don't like. So thumbs up, please. That helps me a lot. And until next time, I love you all, and bye-bye.